tip? You looking for your tip?
My tip.
The nipple?
Hey guys, welcome to Jumpstart Garage. We're in the hippie room.
Yeah,
How do you have a garage for working on cars and there's the hippie room? It's great.
Because
it's a good, great
dabs.
contrast. Because dabs. So anyways, we are going to do something completely spontaneous.
Yes,
Explain.
spontaneous.
Super spontaneous. It's about to be a snowstorm and we're about to pick up a car. We can't say what the car is yet. It's going to be wonderful.
A JDM classic.
A JDM classic. So we're going to get ready. We got a truck, a trailer, some tow straps. We're going to do the damn thing. And if three of us are going to try to push it on there, we should be okay.
And we'll put a shotgun, so...
And we're partying already. Yas. Dude, shoot that over here. Wait, hold on. We're such bad role models. All right.
Good thing none of us have children.
Now we must sober up for this trip. My bad life choices never cease to stop. It's been like this for a decade now. Right? Barn car.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
So we got the barn car here. We got a Hachiroku that has been in storage for, what, 10 years?
Nah, we're like 6, 7.
Okay.
Sitting hard for at least 6.
6 or 7 years. That's what's up, man. What's up? So she's gonna roll, right?
Yeah, she'll rack.
Sweet, we're gonna roll her. We're gonna roll her onto a trailer over there. Oh boy. Alright, so we gotta get the hood. That's my A6 card.
Just swipe it everywhere.
Oh shit, my bad.
Toyota dealer. Super, yeah, get that. A6.
My bad. You got a free one, right?
A little car, dude. A little car cup holder. So I get starter. Well, some interior's in there, so that's cool.
Yeah, when it gets a little bit warmer, you gotta.
Alright, so we got another project to add to the fleet of Jumpstart Garage projects. And here you go. Alright, we're back at the garage. And yup, that just happened. That just happened. So, long story short, really good friend of mine that I've known for years from our family of Project A-Spec. Rest in peace, Project A-Spec. If you don't know what Project A-Spec is, it was one of the first drifting crews in the Midwest alongside with everyone else when drifting was coming up, was born, starting, but we were just grassroots dudes that just like to go out and have fun. We supported grassroots events, and my buddy Fez had this car for a while, and he's got a lot going on, an awesome life, you know, family, and he wants me to restore it, and it's mine now. So we're gonna bring it back to its greatness. As of right now, it definitely looks like the tofu delivery ride is age is taking it. If this car was to sit in the back of the shop for 20 years, I guess this is what it looked like. So sort of sad, but it's actually pretty good shape, and we're cleaning it up right now, and that's the plan. That's the plan. Jeremy's already on it. Look at him back here, working on stuff. So he's on a mission. Like he was really excited about this thing. He was like, "Yo, we're gonna do this. Like we're gonna get on this now." Like I figured we're gonna pick this car up and it was gonna be in front of the shop for like a little bit, but he's already started on it. So for Christmas, I grabbed him a new ECU for his white Cressida. Yes, we have two on the show, and we have an 8.6, so this is gonna be a lot of fun. This car is sweet. It's everything 80s is awesome about. 86 Cressida. It's got, I don't know, awesome interior, pimpy little soft interior with the diamond stitch seats. It's got everything that just the whole 80s feel of the car, and it's really got a lot of potential. I mean, it's pretty much rust free, and it got a little drifty accident, so we are going to put a S13 subframe in it. If we can't trail down a control arm, rear trailing control arm, so if you got a Super Celica trailing arm or a trailing arm that would fit this, get a hold of us, we'll pick it up. If not, we're gonna go all full S13 suspension on this car. I have a ton of extra parts that I have saved up for S chassis, and I probably won't be using them anymore, so it's gonna be donated to this fine vehicle here. We're gonna see what we can do. That'll be in the future episode, so look forward to that coming up. That's what we got going on, is working on the Cressidas. The other one is just minor stuff, and we'll show you in the next video. I'm gonna pull in the garage, start taking a look at it, and get that set up, and then we'll be working on the 8.6 for some time, for a little while, and then hopefully we'll get this going as soon as possible. So other things we got going on here is we have a Volvo that's going to get an LS swap. Alex's Volvo is going to be sweet. So this car's straight 80s, man. It's a flux capacitor. Oh, shut up. Wait, what's that? Let me check that shift. Is that a shift knob?
It's the same one.
Oh, wow, he's got an extra shift knob? You gotta remember, it's got 6-year-old gas in there too. Oh, he did?
Yeah. So we know it starts. No, it's got a good spark. Right now, let's check out the pressure.
All right, so it starts. We got spark. We just gotta figure out fuel. All right, cool. That's what's up. All right, so Jeremy's already determined to get working on the car. He is a beast. Let me tell you what. Jeremy is a beast. So I got this. It's a 300 and it's really nice. It's application for a S13, but you know, as most of you people know, there's pretty universal. And I do have this, which I think is a 255. So I'm gonna take these with me and see if we can't get some to work. We have an old 255, but I'm not sure of the condition of it. So we're gonna throw something in there and see if we can't get fuel to run in the car. What's up, homie? You gonna come help work on the car? What's up? What's up? What are you doing? Boom. Oh, cat in your face. Hello. Overnight punch from Japan. All right, so we got. It's for my S13.
Hell yeah, some Dutch works.
A Dutch Works, or
255.
this is a 255 and this is a 300. So you can pick one.
255, and it doesn't seem no cheaper.
Yeah, doesn't need.
Stock work?
No, but I think
You have stock right there.
that's for this one. But I think it'll work. Just check to see if the fitting's the same.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, cool. All right, so it's been a few days now. This guy has straight been working on this. Big props, big props. Yeah. So Jeremy is super Toyota fan. He loves Toyotas. So when I brought this car in, like, yo, let's work on this car. I got a new. In fact, most of the pressure on getting this car, I could say, was attributed to him. He was like, I will get this thing going. We'll make this project happen. And that's right. So this is dope, man. So yeah, man, diligence and work. We're getting it running. We're gonna get everything straightened away, and then we're gonna start working on reconditioning this car, restoring it, and just follow it play by play.